On time like.
Now, affiliate marketing is basically promoting someone else's product or services with an opportunity to make commissions every time you make a sale. Now, with traditional affiliate marketing, we earn by scaling the returns from lower percentage commissions. Now, these commissions can be anywhere from 5% all the way up to 100%, depending on the product or the vendor. Now, as an affiliate marketer, you can sign up for multiple affiliate programs and utilize social media, blogs, forums, YouTube, and websites just to promote these products. All you have to do is just join, promote, and earn money. Sounds simple, right? Now, there are three types of affiliate products. So I want to kind of just go over these so you guys can understand exactly what is the affiliate marketing products that you could be promoting. So the first one is a regular high ticket product. Okay. These products are usually around $1,000 and up, and they pay about $500 worth of commission, and those commission prices can go up as well. The numbers may vary depending on the product or vendor. The second type of product that you could promote is a value ladder product. Now, they have a low ticket product in the front end, and through their value ladder, they upsell people to more expensive products. So for example, let's say you are selling an ebook. The ebook might cost $7. Then they have another product that's $37. Then it moves up to $199, $499, then $1,000. Okay, I hope you guys really understand that. That makes sense. And number three is decentralized products, okay? It's kind of like a lease where you have to pay a membership fee in order for you to be able to promote these products, but you're going to get 100% of the commissions. Now, a combination of all of these above may give you the best weapon to succeed with affiliate marketing. Now, high ticket affiliate marketing is probably going to be the fastest way for you to hit your income goal. And it's about promoting products that pay about $500 and up in commissions every single sale that you make. Now, there are different programs that are available that pay these types of commissions. But before I mention a few of these programs, let me give you some insight about the promotion if this is your first time hearing about affiliate marketing. Now, high ticket affiliate marketing is probably best done when you're doing organic marketing. And this is where you get to talk to people and you figure out their current situation, diagnose their pain points and what's stopping them from reaching their goals. And then finally, you position yourself and the product that you're promoting as the bridge to get that person where they want to go. So I know you're asking, what if I don't have a lot of followers? And that answer is very simple. The advantage about high ticket affiliate marketing is you don't need a massive following in order to make 5 or even 6 figures. With $1,000 commissions, it doesn't really take a lot of sales for you to start hitting your income goals for you and your business. So let's do some quick math. If you're selling a product for $1,000 and your commission is 50%, you get $500. If you make 5 sales for the month, that's an extra $2,500 in your pocket. Now you don't have to make 200 sales selling a $12 product. Now, does that make sense? I hope it does, because it made sense to me when I first got started. And I know you're asking, well, what types of products should I promote? So now let's get into the products that you can promote. And if you stay until the end of the video, I'm going to give you my number one recommendation if you are a beginner, and even if you're someone who is very familiar with affiliate marketing. Now, the first one is Cloudwaves. Now, Cloudwaves is a managed cloud hosting platform that provides cloud-based managed hosting. Their affiliate program also offers consistent support for all of its affiliates via a ticketing system or a live chat. And you can make up to $400 per sale depending on the affiliate structure that you are under, which makes it one of the best high commission affiliate programs. Number 2 is SEMrush. Now, SEMrush is widely regarded as an essential marketing tool for digital marketers across the globe. They also have one of the best high-ticket affiliate programs in the industry. Now, the tools that they give you is basically everything that you need as a digital marketer. Their affiliate program is known as BRush, and it includes a range of very intriguing features. So if you guys have time, I left a link below in the description for you to check out SEMrush, as well as checking out cloud waves, excuse me. You also stand to make up to 40% recurring lifetime commissions for each new user that joins the site. Commission payments are made twice a month as well. Now, if you guys don't know what recurring lifetime commissions is, recurring means that it is a monthly subscription, which means people pay monthly. Sometimes they pay every 2 weeks in order to use the software, and you will receive 40% of the commission every time someone makes their payment. And number 3, which is one of my favorites, is Fiverr. Okay, now Fiverr is an excellent high-ticket affiliate program for beginners. Fiverr, for those of you who do not know, is one of the leading freelance marketplaces. Okay, it's one of the top marketplaces for promoting digital services, and there are more than 250 plus categories. You could choose your commission structure, either the Fiverr CPA or the Fiverr Hybrid. Okay, the program allows an average affiliate to make upwards of $150 CPA, or cost per acquisition, for each first-time buyer, and up to $1,000 per sale. I know that sounds extraordinary to you guys, and I know you're excited to hear that about Fiverr, especially if you're a digital freelancer. So I also left a link below in the description on how you can get started with Fiverr's affiliate program. So be sure to check that out after the video is over. Now, these are just 3 examples of high-ticket affiliate services that you can sign up for right now to start promoting. Now I want to give you a couple of platforms where you can find high-ticket products. Now, one platform that you could use is a platform called Clickbank. Okay, now some of you might be familiar with Clickbank. Others may be brand new to all this. So Clickbank is an affiliate network or an affiliate platform where you can come to this site, you can sign up for free, and you can start searching the marketplace for products that you could promote to people within your niche. Now, I've already logged in, so I want to go to the marketplace just so I can give you guys an example of all the different categories that they have here on Clickbank. And as you guys can see, they have arts and entertainment, as seen on TV, betting system, business, green products, health and fitness, home and garden, and it goes on and on and on. And if you want to find a high ticket product, it's very simple to do. All you have to do is click on any one of these categories. And once you click on a category, you're going to see tons of products that pulls up. And all you have to do is look for the average cost per conversion. This means how much money you're going to make when someone purchases a product. Okay. And all you have to do is just scroll through any one of these categories and look for a product that pays a pretty decent amount of money. So when you make a sale, you make a good amount of money when it comes to the commission. Another great place to actually make high ticket commissions is ClickFunnels. Now, for those of you who are not familiar with ClickFunnels, ClickFunnels is a platform where you can build landing pages, sales funnels, webinar funnels for your business so you can collect emails and even promote products and make sales for your business using this platform. And if you are interested in getting started with that, I left a link below so you can go ahead and get started for free for 14 days. Just click that link below and you will be able to start creating beautiful landing pages for your business. Now, ClickFunnels also has an affiliate program which allows you to not only promote all of Russell Brunson's products, but it also gives you an opportunity to promote ClickFunnels itself. And that is a great offer for you guys that are looking to generate some monthly income. All you have to do is get people to sign up underneath your affiliate link. When they make their payments in ClickFunnels, then you will receive, I think, about 30% when you first get started of recurring income in ClickFunnels. And you also have an opportunity to promote all the resources that Russell Brunson has available. And I'm going to show you guys exactly. And there you have it, guys. So if you're looking for my #1 recommendation, I left a link with my #1 recommendation for high ticket affiliate marketing. Just look below and look for the words #1 recommendation. Now, this is going to be perfect if you are a beginner or looking to start your high ticket journey. If you sign up for the program, I will even give you some of my exclusive bonuses that can help you make commissions faster. Okay, so don't forget to look for my #1 recommendation below. Click that link, sign up for the free training. You're going to get an email to confirm that free training. Go watch it. If you think this is something that can take you to the next level, go ahead and go through the process. And then once you sign up, I will personally send you some information with some exclusive bonuses from me. And if you got extreme value from this video, don't forget to like this video, drop a comment if you have any type of questions, or just to tell me that you signed up. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell. Every time I drop content, you'll be notified, so you do not miss any of the strategies or any of the new things that are coming out about affiliate marketing or training your mindset. This is Lambo Pete with Love with Blueprint Your Mind, and I'll see you guys in the next video.
Hey, I got something to say. I'm just so sick of hearing everyone complain. I know it's tough and I know there's pain, but hitting bottom is the only way to change. So I'll keep hustling, you keep struggling. Bitch, I'm humbling, keep mumbling, I'll keep doubling, you keep